Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel. So in this video we are going to understand the Python based project, which is the soybean leaf disease detection using the machine learning algorithm. This is what the paper suggests, SVM and KNN algorithm. But as the SVM and KNN algorithm has less accuracy for the image classification stuff, so one improvement we are going to do in this particular paper, that we will be using deep learning algorithm, which is convolutional neural network in this case. So this paper suggests we can upload the images of the soybean leaf and then we can detect the disease. Now why this is required? Because as far as the soybean farmers are concerned, they are not aware about what kind of diseases occur on their plant, and because of that they are not able to diagnose the disease occurred on the plant, and then they are not able to spray the proper fertilizer or the pesticide or the fungicide on their plant. So this causes the reduction in the overall agricultural product. So what the solution we are coming up? So we are suggesting the automatic system where the farmer will upload the image of the soybean plant, and then automatically the disease will be diagnosed by our system. Then the system will tell the farmer what kind of disease is there, and then the farmer will be notified with what kind of pesticides or the fungicide must be sprayed on the plant, so that the farmer will get the proper information about the pesticides and fungicides to be sprayed on the plant. So using this we are going to create this system, and this is the base paper supporting the idea. Coming back to the implementation part, so here we can see the Python codes as well as some templates and some static files. So these are nothing but the front end part. We are creating a web GUI using the Flask framework of Python, and the HTML and CSS coding will be used for that, and the rest of the codes are Python based code. Some data sets we are using here for the soybean plant, which is downloaded from the Kaggle. Now here there are two options to you. Once either you can register. So if you click on register, you are having these many inputs to fill up and you can register. Otherwise you can log in to the system if you have already registered. So this way you will be able to log in. Once you log in the system, then the current weather of your city will be displayed on the web browser. Now this is basically very much important for farmers. So what is the current temperature, what is the weather? This is the current weather and this is the forecasted. So this is the weather forecast the farmer is getting. So according to that the farmer can plan his activities or daily work. And if the farmer wants this thing on the message as a text SMS, then he can click on this button. So automatically the farmer will be getting all the information about the weather updates on his mobile phone as a text SMS. Then if you click on next, here is the important page where the farmer can upload. For example, the farmer uploads this image, and then if you click on submit, then this image will appear over here. So the farmer will be or this is the facility which is provided to farmer to upload the image, and then after clicking test, the it will display the name of the disease. This is black rot, and what kind of fungicide they need to spray is this one, and their ingredients and the quantity is displayed, and the pesticide supplier, where is the address, and all those things can be displayed over here. So this way we will be able to provide all the information about the disease, its pesticides, fungicides, and the supplier information to the farmer. So this is all about the implementation of this project. If you need the complete code of this project along with its guidance and the documentation part, then you can click on the, or you can check out the description box under this video. Thank you.